friends, my name is Vathsala, 52 years old. My district was Tamil Nadu. I am living in Erode. Erode. Um, from the beginning to 45 years, I am normal. I have no disease. I am a medical student in Siddha. 2 years studied, but my studies was discontinued because my marriage was fixed at the time. One day I suffered autoimmune disorder with rheumatoid arthritis. I go with famous rheumatologist. Doctor first check my blood test. My blood test indicated CRP level and RA was increased. Doctor gave some tablets, main tablet methotrexate and Visolint, and 4 years I continued the medicines. One day the medicine side effects was started. My lungs was attacked in pulmonary snow form in my lungs, and clear it. I stopped the allopathy medicines and go with the homeopathy medicines. Past 4 years I taken the homeopathy medicines, little bit improvement. One day I saw the Instagram Wellcure website, autoimmune disease reverse with naturally program. I joined the Wellcure. Dr. Prasanthi ma'am explained the disease very so well and so much. Doctor first change my lifestyle and sunlight and take more rest. This is my lifestyle. I change the lifestyle. I follow the natural diet and sunlight, take more rest daily. This is my routine habit. I one month follow the diet. My pain was little increased. I continued the habits and follow the diet. 2 months fully completed. My pain was fully gone away. My knee joints and ankle joints are very normal. My fingers are easy to mobility. Now I am very happy. Prasanthi ma'am, Asa ma'am, two ma'ams are very supportive to me, and they are very motivated many times. I thank Prasanthi ma'am and Asha ma'am. I living in no medicine free life. I desire to all the people go with natural diets. They are live in no medicine free life. I love Wellcure because Wellcure doctors are very softly and kindly. They approach the patient was very softly. I thank you so much. Again and again, my all credit goes to Asa ma'am and Prasanthi ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.